Anime Matrix LED display. Personalize and express yourself in a unique way with customizable images and animations. Intuitive controls. Dedicated media and volume controls are conveniently placed at the top left corner of the keyboard. Almost instantaneous response. 8000 Hz polling rate provides a 0.125 milliseconds response time, up to 8x faster than other leading gaming keyboards. ROG NX mechanical switches, fast actuation and ROG-tuned force curves for great keystroke feel and feedback. Swappable switches. Install your preferred switch type for a unique customized feel. ROG Switch Stabilizer. Specially designed to ensure smooth keystrokes and stability for longer keys. Improved acoustics. Built-in sound dampening foam helps absorb pinging noises and echoes within the keyboard. Stylish and ergonomic, detachable wrist rest with a light diffuser. ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate gaming mechanical keyboard with Anime Matrix LED display, 8000 Hz polling rate, ROG NX mechanical switches, swappable switches, metal media controls, and a wrist rest with a light diffuser. Top reviews from the United States. ASUS FTW. Love this thing. Looks sleek and is a great addition to my ROG setup.